Welcome, entrepreneurs, leaders, and ambitious minds. If you're looking to dramatically elevate your results and tap into a powerful force that transcends individual effort, you're in the right place. This video is for anyone striving for exponential growth, not just through more hustle, but through strategic collaboration. By the end of this, you'll understand how to unlock a collective intelligence that can transform your potential and accelerate your success. What if the fastest way to 10x your results isn't more hustle, but more brains? Napoleon Hill called it the mastermind, a force you unlock when focused people think together in harmony. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unpacking Hill's Mastermind Principle, the idea that two or more people, aligned around a definite purpose, create an asterisk extra mind, a third, invisible intelligence that none of them could access alone. At its core, a mastermind is about synergistic collaboration. It's not just a meeting, it's a dedicated group committed to collective progress and mutual upliftment. Hill defined it as a coordination of knowledge and effort between two or more people who work toward a definite purpose in a spirit of harmony. This harmony is crucial. It's the secret sauce. So why does it work? First, cognitive diversity. Different expertise covers blind spots. Second, emotional resilience. Shared belief fuels persistence. And third, social accountability. Consistency skyrockets when others expect progress. A key leadership takeaway: the mastermind is not a casual chat, it's a formal alliance for results. It demands commitment, focus, and a shared vision for success. Now, let's get practical. How do you build a mastermind that truly delivers? These are the essential steps you need to follow. First, define the definite purpose. This isn't vague, it's specific and measurable. For example, grow our leadership channel to 50K subscribers in 12 months through structured educational content. Second, select members intentionally. Aim for 4 to 6 people maximum. Look for complementary skills: strategy, operations, creative, finance, marketing. And non-negotiables: integrity, optimism, bias for action, and confidentiality. Third, set the cadence and rituals. Meet weekly for 60 to 90 minutes. Use a fixed agenda: wins, metrics, obstacles, brainstorm/hot seat commitments, and asks/resources. This structure ensures productivity. Fourth, create harmony, not harmony theater. Debate ideas vigorously, but never attack people. Use the steelman rule. State the other person's view better than they did before you critique. Fifth, track commitments publicly. A shared document or dashboard for goals, KPIs, owners, and due dates creates transparency and boosts accountability. No hidden tasks. Finally, protect the energy. Enforce time limits, rotate facilitation, celebrate completions big and small, and, if necessary, replace persistent non-contributors. The group's energy is paramount. Think of Edison, Ford, and Firestone, the vagabonds. Different domains, one intent: industrial innovation. Their informal mastermind cross-pollinated ideas that shaped entire industries. You need the same, on your scale. Ready to start your own mastermind? Here's a 7-day action challenge to get you going immediately. Don't just watch, act. Day 1 to 2, write your definite purpose and the key metrics you'll use to measure success. Be precise and ambitious. Day 3 to 4, identify 6 potential prospects, people with complementary skills and a bias for action, and then invite 3 to 4 of them to join your nascent mastermind. Day 5, draft your initial agenda and the core rules of engagement for your mastermind. Set the foundation for productive discussions. Day 6, hold your first meeting. This is where you clarify goals, assign initial next actions, and ensure everyone is aligned and committed. Day 7, build the shared tracker. This could be a simple spreadsheet or a project management tool. Make it easy for everyone to see progress. Are you ready to unlock your collective superpower? Drop master in the comments below if you're starting one. I'll share a template you can copy to kickstart your mastermind journey. Let's grow together.